Mesothelioma cases require a very dedicated and resourceful firm to handle them. They also require a law firm that can sustain the fight against these multinational corporations who have hurt so many people. Families should look to Barron & Budd for two reasons. Number one, our extremely long and well-documented history of success representing mesothelioma patients, now for the span of approximately 40 years. The second reason that somebody should contact Barron & Budd is because of our resources. No one can outwork us. No one can outspend us, and that's what these companies really try to do. Nobody can outlast us, and we're there for the long haul.
You see them all the time on TV. There's very few law firms that were handling these cases in the 1970s. Barron & Budd was one of the first law firms in the United States to handle an asbestos case, and we're still handling them today.
We have a reputation in the legal community that defense lawyers know about, corporations know about, judges know about, and that they respect. So in many instances, we don't have to reinvent the wheel in order to get a great result. We at Barron & Budd take very seriously our representation of our clients and our duty to our clients, whether that means taking it to the United States Supreme Court, which we've done on occasion and won, whether that means taking it to verdict and getting a good result that way.
Representing mesothelioma victims is a great responsibility, but it's also an honor. These are often the men and women that built our country, and so it's a responsibility that we welcome. I'm proud to be able to fight, to give somebody a voice against some of the biggest companies in the world that put profits ahead of safety, that caused this devastating thing.
I'm sure once when somebody's diagnosed with such a devastating disease and gets that news, that it probably just sucks all the wind out of you, and you don't want to do anything immediately. You need to get your affairs in order. You need to start the legal process for your family's sake.
It's critical that we get engaged immediately. We can do so much better and so much more the earlier we get involved. And the good news is we can be involved kind of behind the scenes. So the one thing I would encourage people is to not delay.